I want to share the story of someone I recently met. Danita Creech. Danita is a personal trainer. She spends her days helping others balance nutrition and exercise, and she should know. She's an ultra-marathon runner competing in 50-mile races across all terrain. She has spent her life taking care of her body to compete on an ultra-high level. But her world came crashing down one day in 2013, getting ready to go on another training run.
I was getting ready to go out for a run. Put my shorts on. A friend came over, rang the doorbell. I was sitting in a chair tying my shoes. And I stood up and I went to the floor. It was that quick.
She was having not just one heart attack, but 3 heart attacks in 90 minutes.
My right arm was hurting. I had shortness of breath. My jaw was hurting. I was basically on the floor in the fetal position, like trying to get through each minute. I didn't want to think that anything was wrong. You know, I was the picture of health. I was an avid runner, ultra-marathon runner. I do eat right. I took care of myself. I did all the things that I needed to do in order for something like this not to happen. But it did anyway.
She finally relented into going to the hospital, where she was quickly diagnosed with SCAD.
SCAD is spontaneous coronary artery dissection. So my LAD, which is the main artery to my heart, internally tore. So there's not a lot that they know about the condition. We're finding out that SCAD is not that rare. It's very rare to meet a survivor. Fortunately and unfortunately, I don't have the ability to change my diet and to change my exercise and have a better outcome. This is what it is. It's something that I have to live with. Mine could not be fixed. So, you know, and I think if I can say this is where the American Heart Association comes in for me. That is the research that they do and the education that they brought for me. And I think for a lot of other people, they don't realize it because it doesn't directly affect them. I believe that it helps everybody. Like they're doing research right now to hopefully find a cure for what I have. They're doing research right now to advance technology for a lot of other people. It's great for me, but I survived for whatever reason, and the odds are not very high of survivors. So I am here, and I have to do something with the situation that I've been presented with. I don't feel sorry for myself. I just tried to find the good in it, figure out what it was for. And I believe that being proactive, running, eating the right way, always taking care of myself, I firmly believe that that's the only reason that I survived. When you feel like there's something that isn't right, you know yourself better than anybody. Go. Be proactive, for starters, but you know, go to the doctor, go to the hospital when you feel like something isn't right. But here I am, still.
Despite having 10 heart attacks in 2013 and 14, Danita leads a busy, active life. She's a mother of 4 and a personal trainer, helping other women live the best life they can.